In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books. We'll go through the full process in a simple and practical way so you can record a bill correctly and keep your purchase records organized. This is especially useful when you want to track what your business owes to a vendor and make sure your accounts stay up to date. To begin, open your browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Once you've signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. From here, look for the Purchases section in the navigation menu. This area is where Zoho Books lets you manage vendor-related transactions, including bills and other purchase records. After opening Purchases, click on Bills. The Bills page shows all the bills you've already created, and this is also where you can add a new one. To create a fresh purchase entry, click the Create Bill button. This will open the bill entry form. Now you can start filling in the bill details. First, enter the vendor name in the name field. Make sure you choose the correct vendor, because this helps keep your records accurate and ensures the bill is linked to the right supplier. Next, enter the other necessary details shown on the form. Depending on your setup, this may include item details, quantities, rates, tax information, or any other required purchase information. Take your time here and double-check the entries so your totals and records are correct. Accurate data entry at this stage can help prevent accounting issues later. After that, enter the bill number and the order number in their respective fields. These reference numbers are important because they help you identify the transaction later and match it with supplier documents or purchase orders if needed. Then, select the bill date carefully. The bill date affects your accounting period and reporting, so it's a good idea to make sure it matches the date on the actual bill you received. Once everything has been entered and reviewed, click Save. Saving the bill records the purchase entry in Zoho Books and makes it part of your financial records. That's it. You've successfully entered a purchase entry in Zoho Books. As a final tip, always review the bill once saved to make sure all details are correct, especially the vendor name, bill number, and date. Keeping your bills accurate from the start makes reporting, payments, and reconciliation much easier later on.